High Court as far as she challenging the results of the Nandigram constituency that came out and had resulted in her defeat. What we're getting to know that the single judge bench of Justice Kaushik Chanda has now reserved this judgment in regard with the same case. Going back to Ananya for further update on this big story, the Nandigram battle was taken up in the High Court, Ananya. Mamata Banerjee challenging the result. We're getting to know that the matter for now, the judgment has been reserved.
Well, yes, the court has reserved its order. However, I must tell you that Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who's appearing for Mamata Banerjee, has clearly asked for recusal of Justice Chandra because, in fact, he had appeared. Justice Chandra, during his tenure as a lawyer, had appeared for the Bharatiya Janata Party, to which became a concern for the All India Trinamool Congress's Mamata Banerjee and their legal team, to which he kept on requesting the judge to recuse from hearing the case, from which now the court has reserved its order. Mamata Banerjee has come out as terming this as a safety measure in order to take up a public opinion. She has approached the Calcutta High Court in order to challenge the defeat that she has got in the Nandigram elections. However, I must tell you that election petitions take a lot of time. It requires a lot of judicial precedent, and the hearings in election petitions take a very long time. In fact, in many of the cases, it continues till the next term of the ministers come up. But since now the Calcutta High Court is hearing...
details have not been given out by the court. As of now, it is just the single judge bench that has now reserved the judgment in the case where Mamata Banerjee had challenged the election results of Nandigram seat that had resulted in her defeat. Thanks very much, Ananya, for joining us live. We move on now to more national updates.